What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gottis Garage. Now, like the title suggests, this video is going to be about making money, I guess if you want to say, and the process that we, Gottis Garage, are going through to buying a car from auction from Copart. The car we bought is a 2012 Ford Focus SE, and if you can tell, it has some front end damage. Now, what we didn't know, which is our first mistake on Copart, is down here it says keys. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, hopefully it's not too blurry, but it says keys right here, and it says no. We didn't know that until after we put in a max bid. But we ended up winning this car at $1,550, and it was between one other person from the District of Columbia, and it was a live auction. If you guys don't know anything about Copart, we paid for, well, I have the 60, or I think the $70 a year plan, so you had to put down a 10% deposit on whatever you wanted to buy. So we put $1,000 down. It left us at $10,000 just in case something came up that we kind of wanted to buy, you know. So anyways, we bought this one for $1,550. After everything was said and done, it was like $2,350 or something like that. It was like $800 roughly in fees, but since we pay with a money order or a cashier's check, it was actually $2,241. So you get a little bit of discount if you pay with a more secured payment. Now, things to keep in mind: title fees. The title has to go in your name or the account holder of Copart's name, and then you have to pay if you want to pay with a debit card. For some reason, mine wasn't working. The debit card or credit card has to be in that person, the account holder's name as well. Now, there's gate fees, auction fees, all these other fees. Those are all included in the final cost of what you have to pay for in the car. You have 3 days to go pick the car up, which we're going tomorrow morning to go pick this thing up and be able to assess the damage and to see how much we actually have to buy to repair this thing to flip it. We will be tearing the car apart in this video, also getting a new key made in this video, and we'll give you some tips and tricks on how to do that. Now, I'm no expert by any means. This is our first car that we actually won on Copart. I bid on like 3 others at one time, but I lost them. But yeah, no, I'm pretty excited. Me and my sister, we went in together on this because just to make some little extra money, maybe start another business and get into flipping some cars. This is a 2012. It has 123,000 miles on it. Front end damage, that's it. No secondary damage. It has a Carfax report, everything like that. So you always want to go check out the reports. It'll tell you some cool things on there. And then you definitely want to go through all the pictures and see what we have. And I hope this isn't blurry for you guys. But the interior definitely looks like it needs to be detailed. There's some like chocolate milk right here. Looks like kids were in this car. And other than that, the radiator support looks intact. So I'm hoping that there's no damage to the radiator or anything like that. It looks like the headlight brackets are all intact. Confirmation on the mileage, and here's the VIN. So if you ever buy a car from Copart and you know that you need to like paint or anything like that, it seems like they always add this little thing right here. If you look right here, the exterior paint is a UA, which is like it's a black. So that's always cool. So you can actually start ordering paint or parts and stuff like that before you even pick the car up. So that's it for now. Tomorrow, which will be like a second for you guys, we're going to be leaving to Detroit to go to Copart to go pick this car up. We got the dolly and everything. Everything's all ready. We got tools just in case. We'll grab the car. I'll show you more on the car in Detroit while we're there. And then we're going to tow the car all the way back to my sister's house, where we are going to have a locksmith meet us there. And I'll show you guys that process, as well as starting to tear the car, the front end of the part on the car to see what is salvageable and what needs to be replaced. See the extent of all the damage and what we have to do to turn a profit. So make sure you watch through this entire video. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, because once this car sells, I will have that, and then we'll do a breakdown of the cost and profits on all of that. And then don't forget to enter the chance to win a free double din radio, which I'll put that video right here, right now. Don't forget about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Here is a brand new, never used, in the box, double din car stereo with GPS, subwoofer outputs, and even a rear backup camera. Comes with everything, free of charge to you. all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, take a screenshot of it or a picture if you're using your TV, and send it over to _Gottis Garage on Instagram. And then at 5,000 subscribers, one of you lucky ones will be chosen at random, and then you get to enjoy a brand new double-din car radio from Gottis Garage. So enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully they loaded up on a trailer for us. It actually doesn't look that bad. Fenders are good.
Oh, the radiator looks fine, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the radiator's good.
Hey, even that piece is fine.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit rust there.
Yeah, but we have to get rid of the hood anyway.
Oh wow.
We can fix that though.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to see that on
Yeah, that's what I think with the pictures. But like this isn't bad. You can patch that and touch up the Oh, look at that. We got headlights.
One of the keys are back there.
Oh, anyway.
Yeah.
That one's not.
So we're gonna get this back to the house and we'll show you a little bit more on it, but we're gonna go through and maybe try to find a key.
So first, you found the key. Let's see the key.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Holy crap. You ready?
Yep. Oh shit. It started. Maybe turn it off.
just test driving the car, but not only did we find the one key at Copart, not only did we find one key at Copart, but the other key was actually in the sun visor. So Copart just did not even check the car whatsoever for the keys, and they labeled it as no key car or whatever. The car inside is absolutely disgusting. The headliner is absolutely disgusting. Just needs to be detailed inside. The car starts. All the shocks. Oh, I forgot that thing's not in there. Yeah, honk it once. You do hard. There you go. All right, no more, no more. So the brake fluid's clean. It has full coolant and everything, even after running it and stuff. No coolant was dripping on the floor or on the ground, so that is all good. Looks like there has an oil leak right here from the timing sensor or the cam sensor, which that's probably a pretty common thing. So unless it's not too bad, that could stay. And then all the damage right here is marked by a estimator or whatever you call it, where you get into an accident and you show the person. So like this is broke. The X is probably because it's just bent in a little bit, but I think that should be fine. And all the X's pretty much need to be replaced. So that's what we have right here. Oh yeah, I forgot. The battery light is showing. So we have to go buy a tester because I don't know where mine's at. And just test the battery to make sure that the alternator is charging the battery, because the car fires up right away. So that's a sign that the battery is still good. And it's probably just not getting a charge. So that might be something we have to replace, is the alternator and everything else. In this video, you will see us tear all this apart and try to get everything, make a parts list of what things that we need to get and stuff. But we're gonna run to Harbor Freight, pick up a little bit of tools, and then we'll start on all that, and I'll show you guys more that we find.
Bumper. Oh yeah.
All right, we got the hood off, obviously, and it's so far we're not gonna be able to tell until we get a new hood. All right, guys, ignore the kids in the background, but we got the whole entire front end off. The hood we discarded, front bumper and stuff. We gutted everything out that we could. Things that we did notice that might be an issue is this side of the radiator support is pushed in by a little bit, but that can be pulled back out. And then right in here somewhere, in the AC condenser, right here, just like a little, it's bent. So we might have to see if it leaks there or not. But other than that, that's all it is. It's a little crash bar, but not a big deal. Everything else is in the sound order. Everything seems to work. Alternator has an issue possibly. We gotta test that. But this is gonna be the end of this video of me showing you guys fixing the car, or buying the car, picking the car up, tearing it apart, and what all needs to be fixed for a flip. Now, the next video of this, I will tell you guys how much we spent on parts, and then the profit and everything, so you guys, could possibly go do this too. So if you guys like this, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching. Leave down in the comments what you guys think a car like this is worth. 2012, 123,000 miles on it, both keys, and it runs and drives. So let me know what you guys think. Stay different.